Congratulations.
Hey, top of the morning to you. Or maybe it's the evening, whenever you're getting the opportunity to see the video. I just want to make sure that you all know about a couple of great things that are happening here in the Market Center. First of all, we got a happy hour. Yes, it's the day before St. Patty's Day, and it's across the street at the Cortland Marriott. So come on over from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, drink some green beer, and let's get ready for our big weekend, because that's what's following. This Saturday and Sunday, the 16th and 17th, we have the Paint the Town Green. Yes, green, I tell you. So we're going to have a massive open house. Love for you to participate. I need your addresses by Thursday. Thursday at 3 o'clock, Thursday. I need all the addresses to put them into the website. So guys, let's make St. Patty's Day weekend the best thing we've done in a while. Open houses, get out there, find some clients. Second, I want to make sure you guys all know this next Tuesday, a week from on the 19th, I need you to take and be at the office. We've got our partners meeting. We're going to have a great partners meeting. EJ's back, okay? EJ's back. And we're going to take and have an announcement for March Madness. I don't know if you guys play basketball, if any of you even care, but there's a contest we're going to have for March Madness. You are going to earn some money and have some fun and do some really great real estate. So we want you to be there. Partners meeting the 19th, March Madness kickoff. And remember, we got a lot of Irish, we were in business together. So let's do real estate.